Hey there, guys. Here we go again. Another video from me, quick one of an item that I just got in. As you can see probably already from this little certificate envelope, it is an item from Cartier. And I will give you a little backstory about this item, why I got it and how I got it and whatnot. So when I decided to wear earrings again and got my ears pierced, I was debating on what kind of earring I should get, and I really wanted to get a Cartier single stud, just like a small screw earring from Cartier, and wear it on this side. That was 2 years ago. So a friend of mine was very nice to book an appointment for me at Cartier Vienna, and we went there to see if they had the earrings. So we arrived, and the lady brought out a set, so 2 of them, and she said, I don't have a single one, I only have a set. And then my second choice was actually the love hoop, which I actually am wearing today here. You can see like this. I'm gonna turn so you can see it. And kind of was disappointed that I didn't get the stud. And I said, okay, so bring the hoop, let's see that. And she said, let me bring the hoop, and I'll also bring Houston Clue, which is this earring which I'm wearing now here. It's the nail design from Cartier. Okay. So, and she put the Houston Clue on me, and I decided against the love hoop, so I took this one. So that was 2 years ago. And I always kind of wanted this one, and this one then came up for private sale in Prague, and I went to visit a friend of mine, and I picked it up there. It was like a year ago, wearing it from that time, together with my Houston Clue. And this year, as you probably know, for my birthday, I got this love chain bracelet. But honestly, to tell you the truth, I was always looking out for that screw single stud earring, because I really like that minimalistic design. And as I found out, discontinued, they were getting harder and harder to find. They had what they had in some stores, and that sold out pretty quickly, and I had to resolve to searching for it. So after almost a year, I found one across on Westair Collective. It had all the papers and everything what I wanted with this kind of piece, but the prices went up. This earring, when it was in store, I think it retailed, if I remember correctly, somewhere around 620 to 630 euros for a small earring this kind of size. I have it here, I will show it to you in a little while. Which is madness on itself, but it is what it is. We know how this works. But nevertheless, since this got discontinued, this went up tremendously in price. People are asking around 1k, 1,000 euro for it, which is these ones are like, I think now around 1,200 for the love hoop or the Houston Clue. And I said, I'm not paying 1k, I was gonna wait for a better offer, and I was waiting and waiting, and the prices are just not moving at all, and they're getting harder to find. And people that have this earring usually either don't sell it, or they want something really ridiculous for this, like 1,300 or something like that. So finally, after a long time, I got this one from Westair. Just arrived 2 days ago. Came with this 1 in, 1 out Westair tag. Took around a couple of days more because it did went to their hub to be checked and everything verified. Came with its own certificate, which is the same one as I have from Vienna, it's just from Paris. And without further ado, here is the earring. So this is how it looks like, guys. So this is the single stud earring from the Love collection. It's a very simple earring. It has the love motif screw on one side. On the other side, it has a ball which screws in, so you can see it like this. You see, it's a ball that screws on to the back of the post. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna take it out for you so you can see how it looks like. I'm not able to put it in now because obviously, as you know, one of my hands, the left hand, is not the best, but nevertheless, this is how it looks like. So the ones that are in pair, you can get in the rose gold, yellow gold, white gold, yellow gold, yeah, rose gold, white gold. The single one was only available in yellow gold, which is my preference because I love yellow gold and everything what I wear is yellow gold. So how I'm gonna wear it? Most probably I'm thinking to take out Houston glue from here and put my hoop in this hole and put this one, the screw, in the last hole here, because it also has this little ball, so it's gonna be protruding from the back of the ear in the end, so it's gonna be probably the best option for me, but I could also put it here. So if you're watching this video, tell me, where would you wear it? Would you put it in this ear as a single piece here, or would you combine it together with this love hoop and move the Houston glue on this side? Tell me what you would do if you would be me. I'm open to your suggestions, guys and ladies, obviously. So anyway, this is a very short little video because today it's Saturday and a friend of mine came to visit me and we're going out in a short little while. So I just wanted to make this video for you before I disappear for this weekend. Thank you very much for watching, and leave a comment if you like the video. Please subscribe for more if you have not yet subscribed to my videos. Have a wonderful weekend and I hope to see you soon. Bye.